Having a professional GitHub profile is better than the old-fashioned profile. Do you want to know how I made this? So watch the video till the end. Let's get started.
Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, no stats. New hoes, 10 toes, new guac, new bands, new whip, new chips, new kicks.
In this video, I will tell you how you can make a professional README GitHub profile. Follow me step by step. First of all, let me delete my previous repository so I can explain it better. Yeah, I have deleted my repository, so let's get started again. First of all, you need to create a new repository. So go to repository section, click on new. Here, make sure your repository name is same as your GitHub username. So after that, make the repository public, add a readme, commit changes. Now you can edit your readme file. You can use different online readme generators. In my case, I'm using this tool. I'll give the link in the description box. You can check there. Write your username here. Click enter. Write your about here. Click next. Select the options according to your needs. Click next. Add your social links here. Click next. Now add your stacks, languages and your skills here. If you have some PayPal account or any donation account, you can use it here. Otherwise, click next. You can add additional cards or trophies to your profile. I'm gonna add a random quote here. Click next. Your readme file is ready. Copy the code. Go to your GitHub profile. Paste the code here. Let's have a preview of our profile. Here's our profile. You can see this. It's better than before. Click on commit changes to publish the profile. Now check your profile. Here you can see the about section, the social icons, the skill sets you selected there, GitHub stats, and the random code. That's it for this video. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Share the video to your friends. See you in the next video.